Now let us see the diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminium. See, the charge to size ratio, if we say their charge to radius ratio is nearly similar. That is why both of these shows very similar properties. Now the first point in the similarity is that they both are resistant to the acids, and it's mainly due to the formation of an oxide layer which protects these metals, these elements from from reacting with acids. So both are very resistant to acids. Then the next point, the hydroxides of both dissolves in excess of alkalis and forms complexes. The main reason is because both of the hydroxides of both of these elements are basically electron deficient and are Lewis acids, and that is why the moment they are put up in any strong alkaline medium, they accept OH minus ions and compensates their electrons deficiency. That is why beryllium forms BOH4 2 minus and aluminium form ALH4 minus. So they form these complexes. Then the chlorides of both of these elements are forming bridge structures. The chlorine of another molecular species donates its one lone pair to the other beryllium, and this is how they form on bridge structures. Another important thing is this: if they are taken in alone or they are not taken in the solid state, they all are, these chlorides of both these elements are very good Lewis acids because they are electron deficient species. Then most other thing important about these compounds, these elements, is that their compounds, mainly the halides, have the ability to form complexes. Complex in the sense because we know that whatever, like if they are forming beryllium fluoride, difluoride, or aluminium fluoride, AlF3 or AlCl3 or AlBr3, they are electron deficient species. So they have the tendency to accept the halides as ligands, and they form these type of complexes. What we have to remember is that beryllium complex will not be having a coordination number more than 4 because it cannot extend its octet due to the absence of d orbitals, whereas aluminium, yes, can extend its octet due to the presence of the 3d orbitals, and therefore it can go up to 6 ligand or 6 coordination number.